Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I am here to share this quick project. Well, not project, but project share. I was contacted by Your Creative Studio, and she asked if I wanted to have a play with one of her boxes, and I'm just like, yes. I've seen so many people do videos opening the box, and you know, it's exciting, all the goodies that goes in there. So today I get to do it. So this is the box that I received, and it says October. Every month there's a new box, and it's a subscription. There is the make sure, yeah, you can see. There is the Your Creative Studio. So you would just go to her website, and let's see her card real quick. Look at how cute. Look at how cute her little business card. So cute. But yeah, you just Google Your Creative Studio and it'll take you right to her site. As you can see, I came and I peeked on it. You know, I couldn't wait. There's so much going on. It's like, but I was able to peek, but that's it. Just peeked. I didn't go through anything because I wanted to do the video. Take this off because look at the paper, so pretty. So anyways, let's jump in there. Enough of that, Patty. So she has these cute little baggies. Let me move the box real quick. It's it looks like it's a stamp, a cling stamp. Look at her little stickers are so cute. It's like I don't even want to mess them up. Let's see if we can do this. I don't want to mess up the bag either. Oh, my allergies have been really bad, guys. Not sure why. Oh, how cute. It's a little fairy. Let me get up so you guys could really see. Look at that. How cute. Oh, that just means we're going to have to do a fairy journal. Or a fairy project. Something. How cute. Pop that there. So let's see what this one is. This one's also a stamp. So let's see. I hope everybody's doing well. I didn't ask, guys, but I just remembered. I'm doing good. It's just my allergies that are acting up, but I'm good. That's another fairy. Look, guys. How cute. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. So yeah, if you guys are interested in a box like this, look at all these goodies that she puts in there. I just don't know the subscription cost, but it's a subscription. You could order just a box whenever you want a box for that month, or you know, you can do a subscription where you get one every month. These are little cute tickets. Look at that, guys. Let's pull one out. Oh my goodness. Daddy's not home. Sorry, guys. Look at that. So cute. And these are large little tickets. Let's see how big they are. Guess it would be up to here, huh? So it goes up to there. So it's 4. I'm blind. 4 3/8, I guess. How cute is that? Oh, these are so cute. Pop that baby back in there. Really cute. And then she has these in there. This is like Christmas for me, guys. Keep everything together. What is this? It says daily things. Oh, it's like a little book. Oh, look, it's like ledgers, different kinds of ledgers, but it's little like shrunk. How cute are those? These are awesome for collaging. And the paper, I want to say, look, it's like copy paper, I'm trying to say. No, tracing paper. Because it's a little see-through, or, yeah, look at that, how cute. Oh my goodness. And they're all different. See, you could see that one right there. It's like a little see-through one. That is so adorable. Look at the flowers. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to play with those. Then we have these little tickets, taxi tickets. CJ, don't forget your soup. Look at those guys. And it's a lot of them in there. Look at that. I'll bring it up close. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. I already see myself playing with these babies. So, so cute. Then let's go for this big one. This is... Let's get it out of that. It says tiles. Then, oh, that's... Guess you pull them out here. Oh. I think they're stickers. I don't see. Must forgive me, guys. I'm blind. I'm wearing the wrong glasses right now. Look at how cute are these. Do I have them backwards? Look at all these awesome stickers. And they're like, I want to say, the little see-through vellum. Is it vellum? Look at all these, guys. Oh, shoot. I'm like away from the camera. Look at flowers. Oh, my hands. Look at the mushroom. How cute. Oh, look at these cute little labels. I like those. Those are awesome for fillers. How cute are those? And that's a lot of them. And look, I even dropped these down here. Wow, look at that one. I like the shape of it. So, so, so cute. And yeah, look, we have a variety to choose from. It's like for a nature theme journal. And then these, look at how cute. That's really pretty. Look at this one. Okay, you see me? I'll put it there. Look how adorable. These are, I think, regular paper. They're so, so cute. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I need to do a nature theme journal. Now there's this one. Masking tape, it says. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I really don't want to mess up that baggie. Those can be reused. So this is some washi tape. Oh, look, it's they're fairies. I don't know where to go. Look, they're fairies. So these will go awesome with the stamps. How cute. Oh, wow. I'm excited. Can't wait to play. And this is another little stamp. Man, she needs to show where she gets these cute little baggies. This is more cute berries. Look at that, guys. So cute. Oh. Yeah, we gotta play. So this is a fairy theme box. Even though it said October, for a moment there I thought it was gonna be like Halloween stuff, but nope. Hold on, I need a sip of my coffee real quick. Okay. This is a notepad. Oh, look at that, guys. That is so cute. So it comes with a lot of ephemera to add to your journals. And then we have these here. There's some Christmas one. What are these? Are these stickers? Yeah, I think they are. This one's cute for Christmas, guys. Look at that. Let's go through them real quick. Tickets. Oh, wow. Those are so cute. Yeah, these will definitely come in handy. And then, is this a sticker? This is a sticker. How cute is that, guys? Just cut around them and add them to your pockets and stuff. That's beautiful. I love the colors. And then you get papers too, guys. Look at this. That's beautiful. Got that one. Got that one. This one here. These two. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's awesome, guys. So these are all my goodies. Oh, they're all mine to play with. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. I just wanted to share real quick and start planning some projects for this, because, you know, all these goodies, you know. Anyways, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this box is from Your Creative Studio. Check her out on her website. Pay her a visit. Say hi from me. And yeah, if you're interested, go check it out. She shows what's in the, I think she shows what's in the boxes. But yeah, it's, you know, all this yumminess is like, okay, sorry. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.